Hey, hello and welcome on our show. हांव जाणा तुमकां आयज हांगासरलें वातावरण वेगळेंच दिसता. सो वी आर हियर इन कॅफे राजा. सो हांव कालजंतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कॅफे राजा हाचो ओनर कॅफे राजा कॅफे को वर्किंग आनी बुटीक स्पेस हांकां कालजंतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी आमकां हो वेन्यू हांगासर आमकां दिला हो एपिसोड शूट करपाक. चडांत चड तुमकां देव बरें करूं. तशेंच आय नो यू ऑल आर वेटींग की हांव कोण आर्टिस्ट तुमच्या नोदरेक हांगासर दवरता काय म्हूण आनी हांव जाणा तेच उमेदशिकेन तुमी रावल्या. सो लेट मी टेल यू आयज म्हजे बरोबर आसा अशे 2 सेलिब्रिटीज बोथ आर यंग talented, multi-talented, active and definitely hot. She is versatile, she is a multilingual singer. She was also awarded for one of her debut album. Not only that, in fact, she is one of the youngest female singer who's been producing music on her own, who's been producing singing, who's been singing in different languages till date. आणि म्हाका दिसता ह्याच ताच्या वावराक पडून ताचो हो करियर फुडें वचत आसा, मे बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ सिंगींग ऑर अ नॉच टू मॉडलिंग. Him, what do I say about him? ताका कोण वळखना अशें ना. He is an actor par excellence. An Indian actor. जाणें म्हाका दिसता कोंकणी, हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लीश ह्या फिल्मांनी जावं वावर करून ताणें आमचें गोंयचें नांव ओदीक आनी ओदीक उंचल्या दर्ज्यार पावयलां. None other than the famous Kevin DeMello and the gorgeous Marijo DeMello.
Hi, I'm Kevin DeMello.
Hi, Marijo DeMello, and you're watching Candid with Candida.
How are you all?
Good.
Good.
Say hi to each other.
Hello.
I know you all have met each other before, but still, just a formality to say hi. Okay, so तुम्ही दोघां एकामेकाक वळखतात?
Oh,
Yes, of course.
Of course. Okay, so म्हाका एकामेकाचे तुम्ही कितें अशें चड जाणा? Like how far you all know each other?
तर आमचो फील्ड न्हू सेम आसा लायक ते सिंगींग करता हांव सिंगींग करता ते कडेन लायक एक डांस मुव्स आसा ओके बट वेन वी डीड समथींग लायक वी डीड अ रील एक्टिंगूय आसा टॅलंट ते म्हाका खबर नासलें एक्सप्रेशन कॅमिस्ट्री ते पळोवन म्हाका आय वॉज सरप्रायज लायक शी कॅन डू इट आय मीन टोटल सरप्रायज लायक म्हाका दिसता अशे खुबशे टॅलंटेड लोक आसा बट शी लायक was very surprising and I'm very happy that I got a co-star like her.
in fact, I've known Kevin like we've known each other. I think 15 years now. We've known each other, and every time we say hello or whatever, like in between, there's always a gap. And Kevin's like, we should do something together, and I'm like, yes, I know we're going to do something, but it never really happened. And finally, Kevin just buzzed me. He was buzzing himself on social media with his reels, and I said, hey Kevin, this is amazing. And he's like, why don't you do a reel with me? And
So
that's how
you have never done acting before?
I've never done acting before. I've always been singing and a bit of modeling here and there, but I was never into formal modeling. I never had any training as well. So, but I mean, when he approached me, I said, yeah, let's give it a shot, and I think it really
Yeah,
went
and
well.
I message केल्यार she was in London.
I was in London, yeah.
And yes म्हटलें.
Okay, are you based in London?
No, I'm based in Goa, but I do travel a lot.
Okay, so you like to travel?
I love to travel. I love to travel, I love
Alright.
to explore new places.
Okay, Marijo, tell me something. तुझं career जो आसा तो मातसो it's like you've started at a very tender age.
Yes.
Okay, so it's have improved, like it's been like vast, like तू इतले develop जाला. And I've seen that one song of yours, you sing in many languages, but there's one song which I must say that is Avida
Avida.
in Portugal.
Yes,
and
it's in
was
Portuguese.
aired in Portugal.
Yes.
So what was the song about?
So basically, when I was 17, I thought of coming up with my own album, and I'd written the lyrics of the song in English, and I had a friend with me who said, why don't you do it in Portuguese as well? We can just translate it. So he helped me, and we translated it, and it did really, really well. Like Fraser's done the music for it, and after many years, in fact, I decided to do a video on the song. And then as it went viral, I got a call from RTP channel, and they said, are you ready to, send us a ride so we could air it. And I said, yes, definitely, why not? And it was a huge honor and privilege to be aired in Portugal, you know.
So can you hum those lines for us? Kevin, I know तू जाणा कोंकणी इंग्लिश मराठी सगळे जाणा पोर्चुगीज जाणा तू
Little, not much.
मास शिकतालो आयज तू मस्त
Como está?
प्लीज गो अहेड
Okay, so I'll say, okay. A vida sem a luz já está escura. A novo dia traz o sol e a chuva. Pensava sempre que a vida está perdida. Encontrei a luz que dá prazer para viver.
All right, nice, yeah, well done. Well sung also. Sazmola कितें पडी?
Music has no language, only should sound good.
Okay. Kevin, हांवें तुजो एकदां जायते हांव तुजे आर्टिकल्स हांव रीड कोत्तालें. So I came across something, and then once upon a time you had said like there's always a plan B, plan C, and plan D. What is that about?
Actually, कितें जाता, people get depressed, like, they think like, आपूण अमकेच करतलो, and when it doesn't happen, तेंचो मागीर heart break जाता, like, oh, this is the end of the world, which is very sad. You should always keep plan B, plan C, plan D. If I was not an actor, I would have been here taking interview of some other actor. I already told you long back. Yeah, taking my place. This was in my mind, like, like Coffee with Karan, something, like, okay. So, yeah, एक म्हजो idea आसलो. Next, I would have become a subject teacher. Okay, ते करपाचो नाल्यार I would have opened some business आनी कितें करपाचो. But luckily, I became an actor. And thanks, and you are interviewing us. It's something nice. And
But you know what? You have evolved so much. You have done acting, dancing, modeling, everything you've done. कितें उरलां कितें करूंक नासलेलें?
yes,
What?
direction.
Direction. Okay. Next time म्हाका दिसता interview जातलो direction वयर. Okay. Marijo, in your free time, I think you are into Californian NGO group. So what is that?
So basically,
Do you work during your free time over there?
Yes, I do a lot of social service. I volunteer my time. So basically, what happened was a certain point in your career, you feel like, okay, you're doing so much, you're buzzing, but are you really giving back to society? You know, we're so used to taking, climbing the ladder, but we don't really, stop and think like, are we giving back to society? Are we doing, something out of the box? So at this turning point in my life, I said, no, I have to start doing something. So I've been working with Verma a lot. You know Verma De Mello, a renowned fashion designer of Goa.
She's also De Mello.
She's also De Mello. De Mello's rock. So basically she said, why don't you come along and see how it is? Join me, So when she told me about the entire, what they do and how they go about, and I said, that's it. Goa Sudarup. So they are basically, it's a Californian NGO group based in California, and they, through them, we reach out to a lot of, underprivileged children, school dropouts, widowed women. So we help them, we educate them, there were floods recently in Valpoi. So we go there personally, every month we go, we see what are their necessities, we supply to them, certain basic needs of theirs. Then we conduct a few games for the kids, a bit of activities. So that keeps us going.
Okay, but in all this, as you said, you are not a professional model, as I said.
No, I'm not.
But still, it has given you an opportunity. I think your career has taken you there.
In 2019, I got this letter from the Cannes International Film Festival, and they asked me to come and perform there for them. So Verma was going there with her gowns, and then she said, why don't we all go together? And so I sang for her fashion show. And then I did a lot of other shows, private shows for like top celebrities. Like there was Robert Downey Jr. there sitting for the fashion event. So that was like a huge thing back then.
Kevin, म्हाका दिसता जायते दीस जाले, जायतो तेंप जालो. In fact, आमी movie in like चड पयल्या, last Bandcar it was, or which was the last movie of yours?
Last movie, yeah, same movie it was. Yeah, and before that was Soul Curry, then
And after
MMS,
that, then you switched on to reels. And reels and my साथ इतने के like it's vast. It's like I think almost 16 reels now.
16 reels.
Okay, so what are you going to do with the 16 reels? I want to know.
Actually, this is my the concept of my director David Furtado. त्याने म्हटलं एक रील करूया आणि एक रीलान एक सॉंग येयलें वेर देर इज अ गर्ल सिंगींग अरे म्हटलें वील गेट अ गर्ल सो आय स्टार्टेड आस्किंग and luckily everybody was interested because what is happening right now in Instagram and all reels are trending. Okay, आणि corona time theater bond सगळे bond entertainment खंय आसा, so reels was the entertainment and I started asking. I asked Mary Jo, she said yes. From London I got the reply. She came, she met me in north side, she stays in south. She came and we met and I just asked her reels. Yeah, we'll do, and we just did, and she was so nice. I mean, we discussed about the costume also, the white galta, I am white galta, and after the reel just tell like what happened.
I know, our phones were buzzing literally. They're like, oh my god, you've done a reel with Kevin. Are you into acting? You always said no to us, like, you know, are you into? So I had a lot of calls from
But what is the
directors.
history behind these reels now? What are you going to do with this? Any plan?
Just like, you know, I don't know, like people say like, you know, new talent of Goa must explore Korea, be like, you know, yeah, so let's explore it. And my director is very like, you know, he's always motivating me, and the choreographer was there, Ishad Hussain. So we planned like, you know, reels Korea, because see what happens if a person is there, is talented, okay, just needs a guidance, a push, okay. And we are professional. I'm professional. My director is a professional. Okay, the new person gets experience. Now that new person tomorrow will act in a movie or be somewhere else, like, you know. But this will be that experience, which even I got when I was, you know, when I was there. Even I got this experience starting. Ek push there. So we got the push, and see talent column maka, like, you know, she never acted, and suddenly our chemistry was so good in the reel.
Now I think my auditions तुम्ही दोघांनी फेस केल्या असतील. केल्या? Do you like auditions?
It's okay.
Okay, but you all have faced like.
Yeah, a bit nerve-wracking.
You all have well.
Yes.
Okay, so let me just do an audition round for you all. Okay. Suppose tu ek, like, you know, you're staying in a bungalow and you need a maid.
Made. Okay.
Maid.
Okay.
So you have to like auditions तू आता conduct करपाची तुवें. Mary Jo येता audition.
Okay.
Okay, for a post of a maid.
Made. Okay.
So how would you go about it?
Okay. You can switch on the role. Take a girl. No, she.
No, there's something for her also. Yeah, for both of you. So how it's gonna be? Pass कहो गोतलो तेका.
Okay. So yes. Hi.
साहब हम तो हिंदी में बात करते हैं.
अरे रे माका हिंदी येना मरे कितें करूया. शी. Okay. English येना तुका.
थोड़ा आता है मुझे.
थोडा. बरें. मेड जाल्यार तूं कितें रांदता कितें रांदता म्हणजे रांदप कुकिंग.
अभी आप और दूसरे में भाषा में बात कर रहे हो. अभी आप.
अच्छा क्या आप खाना हाँ आ गया. ओके. खाना कितें ओके खाना कितें करता खाना
कितें करता.
कितें रांदप कितें तुजें हय कितें रांदता नुस्तें म्हाका बांगडो लायक बांगडो करता तूं बांगडो आनी मागीर कितें म्हणटा
किंगफिश फ्राय
करता तूं डेली. ओके बरें. आनी कितें करता तूं लायक यू नो म्हाका हें जातकूच न्हू म्हाका न्हू डेजर्ट लायक जाता मागीर. ते डेजर्ट कसले डेजर्ट करता.
डिझर्ट दोदोल बिबिंका दोश.
आनी म्हाका सांजचें न्हू मातशें म्हाका हय आनी मागीर सांजचें न्हू म्हाका मातशें कांतार बी आयकोंक लायक जाता. सॉंग बी म्हणटा. बरें
रेडी आसा.
ओके बरें. तर हांव केन्ना जेयता बी तेन्ना एक सॉंग म्हणशी तूं बेश्टें म्हाका एंटरटेनमेंट न्हू बेश्टें.
डन.
तर एक बेश्टें बट एक सॉंग म्हणून दाखय.
So this is how it is. All right. Okay. So now let's switch over. Okay. Suppose Mary Jo, you're having quite a big garden at your house, and you're looking out for a gardener. Okay. So unfortunately, you come across Kevin, and he was also desperate, looking out for a job for a post of a gardener. So how will you go about it?
ओके हेलो मैडम, हम इधर आए हैं काम करने के लिए गार्डनर का। हमको बताओ क्या करना है।
अच्छा, पहले से ना आपको बहुत झाड़ काटने होंगे,
ठीक है।
क्योंकि हमारे जो लॉन है ना उसमें बहुत झाड़।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
ओके।
तो सिर्फ काटना
सिर्फ
है।
झाड़ काटने हैं।
हाँ,
ओके, और क्या करना
और आप ऐसे धूप में काम कर सकते हो ना?
हाँ, काम करता हूँ, बट थोड़ा घुटने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। मैं
अच्छा, उसके लिए तो मैं कुछ लगा सकती हूँ। हाँ, हमारा है।
छुट्टी कितना मिलेगा मैम?
छुट्टी तो अभी बात मत करो, छुट्टी तो
ऑल्टरनेट
मिलेगा।
डे में ऑफ मिलेगा मैम?
हाँ, देखना पड़ेगा, सोचना पड़ेगा।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके। और पगार कितना मैम दोगी आप?
पगार तो आपके हिसाब से, आप जैसे काम करते हो वैसे तो आपको पगार मिलेगा ना।
मैम हर सैटरडे संडे मुझे पिक्चर देखने का आदत है मैम, थिएटर में।
यार ये कैसा
I guess now. All right. Okay. Now I've got something interesting for you all. You need to. The name of the game is Be Quick. So let me start with this. So there are these placards over here. This is yours, Kevin, and this is Marijo. So now it's gonna be. Don't open it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be something interesting. No right and wrong answers. तुमका right and wrong answer ची judge कौन कर पाना? Only thing you need to pop whatever is coming in your mind. Just say it. Just say it. Okay? Don't think. I'm not giving any time to think. Okay? So who's gonna start first? There are 5 questions for each of you all. Whatever comes in your mind, just pop it up. Kevin?
Yeah.
You gonna start? No, you cannot open. You cannot open. You keep yours. Let him finish his.
Oh, okay. I thought he's supposed to interview me.
No, so it's gonna be like that. He's gonna. I'm giving you a chance now. See, you are taking my place. Okay, so okay. So just go through the questions. Just go through it. You're well versed with it. Done. Stay ready. Take it in a nice tone, huh? So you have to put nice feelings and all.
Okay, so first question, okay, to you, Marijo.
Yes. Go ahead.
तुका तुझ्या जोन दिसाक for birthday कितें जाय?
Go faster.
Maka kite zai. I just want one more year to live. That's it.
Who is your sexiest friend?
Go fast.
I have a lot of sexy friends.
Okay. What's the worst thing you would put in a coffee?
Honey.
Okay. तुका पहिले propose कोणे केले?
I think in 8th grade. Yes, 8th grade.
Okay, so this question. Fart. How many times should I say that?
What is that? What? Come on.
Fart. How many times should I say that?
Fart.
Yeah.
That? No.
Yeah, how many times should I say that? That's a question.
How could that be a question? Fat. Like that.
All right. Well played. Done. No, it's done. Okay. Over to Marijo now. Come on.
Okay.
See that you don't take time, huh? You need to be very spontaneous. Start.
Okay, Kevin. Who was that girl?
Who? Which girl?
Who was that girl?
Who?
That is the question.
There's a question. My mom.
Who is she?
My mom.
Ooh, okay. Good answer. Okay. What is your band's name?
Band's name. Okay, I just have one name. She's a dramatic troupe. My dad. Okay.
Okay. Why should I believe you?
Because whatever I say, I do.
Ooh, yes. Agree. Okay. What's the other name for shucks?
Shit.
Okay. तुझे तोंड बंद कर. Complete the sentence. तुझे तोंड बंद कर. Dash. Complete now.
तोंड बंद कर आणि उगी राव.
All right. Well played, yeah. So, you all are ready for rapid fire round?
Yes.
Done? Okay. I'm not burdening you all. I'll just ask you all only 2 questions. 2 questions for each person. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
2 questions मतलब बताइए tricky आस्ता है cluster. Okay? So Marijo, I'll start with you. Assume that you're in 90s. Sing in that way. Any of your song. Just 4 lines. Assume that you're in your 90s now.
My 90s.
You're in your 90s.
Oh my god.
Okay? 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. She said I'm holding back.
Alright. Okay. Next question. Cook your favorite dish in your singing style.
Cook my favorite dish. Like you want me to say how I would cook it. Okay.
I know you're
Why everything should be
I know
singing?
you're well versed
Why
with
should
cooking.
everything be singing? Okay, my favorite dish. I think my favorite dish would be singing style.
Come on. Which is the dish you're gonna cook and sing?
Okay, I'm gonna cook for you arroz. Okay.
Arroz. Wow.
So first I'm gonna put some oil and heat the vessel. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some onions inside and bagar them. And then put some spices, which I don't want to tell, obviously.
Done?
Then la 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 la.
Then this is the arroz is ready. Alright. Moving on to Kevin. Propose marriage in Shah Rukh Khan style.
Hey, मेरी जो hey, मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ मेरी जो मेरी जो किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार मैं I love you मेरी जो
Okay, I know you have done advertisement or something.
Yeah.
So you need to write a matrimonial ad for her.
Okay. Mary Jo, height 5.7, gorgeous looking. Okay, a suitable male who is rich and who has a lot of business with him. Okay, this is the girl you're looking out for, and she knows everything. She can entertain you with cooking, with singing, with a style, and everyday entertainment. Okay, so this is Mary Jo DeMello.
Thank you guys for playing this rapid fire very well. Thank you so much. And now we are moving on to our final round, that is flip the cup. Are you all ready for it?
Yes,
Let's go.
definitely.
Alright, so आता आम्ही पावले आमच्या final round. This is the final round of the show. Kevin, Marijo, are you excited to play this round?
Yes.
Yes.
As I said, this is called flip the cup. Okay, flip the cup. Okay, there are 6 cups kept here. एक लाख 6 cups and there are different flavors. Okay, there are like for instance I'll tell you just one kokum flavor. Then kokum जाणा न्हू सोला. Okay. So तहे जायते flavors तू taste येता तू कोतेले reactionाचेर म्हाका कोतेले खंयचे flavor पिला पळय तो. Okay, so there are 6 flavors. पयले you have to drink it. Finish the whole glass, empty the glass, keep it there, the edge of the table, and then flip it. Until and unless the glass doesn't flip, you cannot go ahead with the game. Podlo, potun card, poto dor, poto flip kor. Okay? Done? I'll show you the demo. Okay? So let me show you a demo. I don't know what drink is this. Let me just drink it. It is water. I was lucky. I'm keeping at the edge. 1, 2, 3. It didn't happen. Try it again. No. Again. Ebashan try kori tra apachem. Okay, let's see who wins the race. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Oh. Come on. Slowly. Kevin? There's something interesting happening here now. What is the taste you got? Orange. Marijo, oh my god. Three. I think she is racing you, Very fast are they? Done. It's almost done. Done. Yes. She wins it. Well played, both of you all. How did you play it? Enjoy it?
First time, I didn't know what is
Enjoy?
this.
Enjoy the flavors?
Yeah.
Which flavor you
Can I
like?
burp?
Which flavor you like?
I think the first one was nice. I think it was Sprite, was it?
Right. Kokum one?
Uh,
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for playing this game very well. Thank you so much. And I have a small token of appreciation for. I'm not giving you all a gift as such because my tum dogai so got Okay, so I'm doing justice. I have small hampers from Prudent Media as a token of appreciation for playing this round and all the rounds very well. So this is a small token of appreciation for both of you all for playing this round and all my rounds very well. Thank you so much, Kevin. Thank you so much, Maryjo.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for giving us your precious time. आणि तुम्ही हांगासर आयली आनी पासियेसान सगळे रावंड आमचे बरे भाशेन घेवली आनी तुमची मुलाखत घेवन आमकां एक संदी दिली म्हूण काल जाणतना आमी तुमकां दोगांयकूय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तशेंच इश्टा न्हू तुमकां सगल्यांक आमची आयची कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक चडांत चड देव बरें करूं पळयत रावात कॅन्डिड विथ कॅनडा